Hey friends, Miss Hendry here. Today we are going to finish up our lesson on creation, Genesis 1 through 13. So let's review. All right, our Bible verse was, "In the beginning God created the heavens and the earth," Genesis 1:1. Then we talked about how in the beginning everything was dark, without form and void. Everything was empty. And God decided to create the world. So he started by saying, "Let there be light." And there was light. And he called the light day, and he called the night, or the darkness, night. And then on day 2, we talked about how there was, that God created a divide between the water and the sky. Then on day 3, he caused dry ground to come up out of the water, and then he caused trees, plants, and flowers to grow. On day 4, God created the sun, the moon, and the stars. On day 5, we said that God created sea life. He created fish and all of the animals that live in the ocean. And then we talked about how God created all of the birds on day 5. All the birds that we see flying in the sky, God made those on day 5. Today we're going to talk about day 6. All right. On day 6, God made animals that live on the ground. He made the tall giraffe and the tiny mouse. He made dogs, cats, lions, bears, monkeys, dinosaurs, horses, and all the other animals. On day 6, God also created someone very, very special, and his name was Adam. God breathed life into dust and made Adam. He took dirt in his hand and he shaped it like a man, and he breathed life into it, and he named him Adam. God also made a wife for Adam. Her name was Eve. God said that it was not good that Adam would be by himself and not have anyone like him. So he took a rib out of Adam's side and he made Eve to be his helper. And so that's why you have a mommy and a daddy to love you, because God created man and he created woman. Then on day 7, God rested. Was he tired? No. God rested to show that his beautiful work was finished. He also gave us an example to follow, that sometimes we need to rest from our work too. Could anyone else have made all of the things that God made? No, God is greater than any person could ever be. Everything God created was perfect. God created the world and everything in it. What a wonderful, powerful God we have. Amen, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson on creation. Love you guys.